Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in for the Skyline Digital Flight Show. If you're not familiar with what this new show is all about, please check out the link in the top left-hand side of the screen. This is episode 2, and this episode features the MD-8182 that was developed by Commercial Level Simulations and altered by Just Flight. And the scenery for this video is Aerosoft's Dutch Harbour X. I reviewed this scenery a few months ago, and if you want to check out that review, please see the links in the subbar. Enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with episode 3.